Side eye. Side eye.
It's just a cigarette and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad.
It's just a cigarette like you always used to do.
I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
Welcome
Welcome to your brain and never mind. It's just a little explanation of your desperate situation. You're a slave to my design. It's just a complex application to a deadly confrontation.
She's a 10, but she dyes her hair pink.
She's a 10, but she looks like a man.
She's a 10, but her parents are divorced.
She's a 10, but she has an Adam's apple.
She's a 10, but she listens to BTS.
She's a 10, but she needs to get her roots done.
She's a 10, but she needs to get her nose done.
She's a 10, but she can't even fix her daddy issues.
She's a 10, but she got cheated on, but went back to the guy even though we all told her not to.
She's a 10, but she has man shoulders.
She's a 10, but she can't even do her makeup.
She's a 10, but she needs makeup.
Peter, how are you doing that?
I don't know, Lois. I'm scared.
Gentlemen, let's be civil about this. Let's make a deal. You surrender, and you don't die. How does that sound?
And how do you intend to kill us?
Oh, no, I can't kill you. But my buddy can. Say hi, buddy.
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too.
Is your memory card set correctly? Hey, come on!
How are you? They took my fucking eye.
Feels just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever seen.
Hi. What's your talent?
I can read minds.
No, you can't.
お前はもう死んでいる。
am so cool. Round of applause for me. I'm just amazing. Like,
I found a body beside the reactor.
Somebody killed Orange? Oh, you bastards!
What we gonna do? This is a disaster.
Everybody calm down and tell me what your task was.
I was in admin swiping the card, but it wouldn't go through. I was swiping too hard.
I was downloading data to 100%. I turned around and saw Blue standing next to the vent.
Somebody come watch me scanning the med bay.
I say we vote now to get rid of some dead weight.
But I saw Purple lurking, so suspicious. She kept flipping switches at the O2 sensors.
Switches? That's a keypad. This guy's sus, acting like he's a crewmate just like us.
Kick him off.
That's the only way to protect us.
Bye-bye, Cyan.
You're gonna regret this!
You have to be honest. Am I ugly, yes or no?
Please kill me. I'm serious. Please kill me. I'm not singing. I'm asking. Locked in a cage with all other answers.
No.
At first, I was like, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
where's Bubbles? She's probably upstairs combing her hair so she can be the prettiest girl at the party. I'm gonna be the prettiest girl at the party.
Make me Aphrodite, make me one and only.
Wyginam jak nożysko, jedno w głowie mam. Kocu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnieć.
If you have 10 cookies and someone asks for 2, how many do you have?
10.
Okay, what if someone forcefully takes 2 cookies? Well, then what do you have?
10 and a dead body.
Now skip to my loo. Jersey, do 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 do. Oh my God, Leah, what the fuck? Leah, do the running man again.
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
バレンタインの日告白するから放課後開けといて。放課後大丈夫そう。心の準備して。はい、もう顔赤くないだってそう。ほぼ告白してるじゃん。あ、言い換え忘れて。
You have to be honest. Am I ugly? Yes or no?
If you're looking for something new, I know somebody that you could choose. What about me? What about me? What about me and you together? Something that could really